Good morning, students. Welcome back to mathematics for class 10 Diksha Education. Today we will be talking about a triangle. That this is part 5 we are discussing today. So in top uh, this class we will be discussing about area of similar triangle, theorem number 6.6. We have already done till 6.5, theorem 6.5. Today we will be discussing theorem number 6.6. And we will also do some example based on theorem 6.6. Theorem 6.6 is known as area of similarity of the triangle. So let us first see what theorem 6.6 says. So theorem 6.6 says the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. That means it says that if you have got two triangles, similar triangle, now two triangle, not simple triangle, but both the triangles are similar, then if two triangles are similar, then what it says, area, that means area of triangle number 1 divided by area of triangle number 2 is equal to square of ratio of corresponding sides, any two side which say, if we take side 1 of this one, we will have to take side 1 of this one. If we set side 1, side number 2, this side must be taken. If we are taking side 3, third side must be taken. So any pair, if we are taking corresponding pairs, so the ratio of them, square of the ratio of them will be equal to the uh, ratio of the area of the triangles. So let us see how we will be proving that one. We will have to prove that particular see a theorem. So we will be proving this theorem. So let there be two triangle ABC and PQR. Now ABC and PQR are two triangles such that ABC is similar to PQR. Now both are similar. That is given. We don't have to prove that. It is already given. Now what we have to prove, we have to prove area of ABC, that means area of ABC divided by area of PQR is equal to, see this is side ABPQ, AB by PQ, so ratio of any side by square is equal to, if we are taking this area, this particular side, again ratio of this side square, or if we are taking third side, the third side square. So we can take any side, ratio of any corresponding side, the ratio of area will be square of the ratio of the square. Okay. So first we will to prove that we will have to find the area. Let us find the area of both the triangle. So for finding the area of both the triangle and making it simple, let us draw two at altitude. Now what is altitude? Altitude is a line which is drawn perpendicular from a vertex to the opposite side. So let us assume there are two AM and PN are two altitude. Now if they are altitude, that means they will form angle of 90° with base. So with base they are forming an angle of 90°. Now area of ABC will, what will be the area of ABC? Half into base into height. So half into base into height. AM is the height here and BC is base. So area of ABC. Similarly, area of PQR will be half into QR into PN. That we have got area of both the triangles. So if you find the ratio of both, it is simple. You can say just this one divided by this one. Now half and half both are same, so they are cancelled. So if they are same, they are cancelled. So BC, now what is remaining? BC by QR into AM by PN. So this is the result that we are getting from that. So we have taken it as equation number 1. So this is equation number 1 we have. Now again, let us take two triangle ABM. That means this triangle. In between this triangle and this triangle, let us compare this triangle. So what we get? Angle B. Angle B is equal to angle Q, already given as both the triangles, both ABC and PQ are similar, and angle M is equal to angle N. As already in the construction we have shown that this one is 90 degree and this one is 90 degree, so both are similar. So what happens? Both the triangles are found to be similar with AA similarity criteria. See, I have already explained you that AA or AAA both are same thing, because if two angles are same, third will automatically be same. So AA or AAA both are same thing here. So from the last slide we have borrowed this one, that area of ABC is BC by AM and area of PQ QR by PN, that is divided, half and half are cancelled. Again also we have borrowed from last that ABM is similar to PQN, that ABM, this particular triangle, is similar to this particular triangle. So two things we have borrowed from the previous slide, so that we don't have to go back. Now what we get then? If these two triangles are similar, what we get? AM by PM, AM by PN is equal to AB by PQ, AB by PQ. Also ABC and PQ are similar. So if both are similar, what we get? AB by, so we all since both are similar, both the triangles are similar, so corresponding side, the ratio of corresponding side will be equal. That we have known from earlier slide. Therefore what happens? Now area, we have got the area over here, so area we have got over here. So what we are getting? We can check over here. Now area we have got here BC by QR into AM by PN, but here we are writing AB by PQ. How we are writing? From 1 and 3. So from 1 and 3 what we get? BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ. BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ. Let us again clear the whole zigzag. So BC by QR is equal to AB by PQ, and that's why we are replacing that number over here. So the ratio is being replaced. Again, if you go forward, we see that in equation number 2 what we have? AM by PM, AM by PN is equal to AB by PQ again. So again replacing this one with this one, what we are getting? We are getting AB by PQ square, because if we multiply both are same thing, so we will get a square. So what we are getting? Ratio of area and square of ratio of side equal. We have got, so we have proved about single side. So now if we have proved about single side, that AB by PQ, if it is proved for AB by PQ, it is again allowed for BC by Q and CA by RP. So now we have what we have from this one and 3, we are getting the required proof that we have. So we have proved that this, initially we have proved this one, and we know that all the ratios, corresponding ratio are same. So just replacing all the ratios. So first ratio, second ratio and third side ratio are same. So this way we are proving theorem number 6.6. So the concept is proved. So now let us see some exercise. I am taking the exercise from your book, exercise 6.4 NCERT book. Question first, we are going to solve question number 1. So let AB and DF are two similar triangle, and their areas be respectively. What are the areas? 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. So area is given, this is 64 and this is 121. Again EF is 15.4. EF, this is 15.4. So we have to find this one. Now we have already just right now we have proved the relationship between side and the we have just proved the relationship between side and the area. What was the theorem? Accordingly we will prove that. So let we have two triangle ABC and DEF. Then we have area of ABC is area of ABC 64, area of DEF 121, EF is 64. Then we have to find BC to be found. So let BC is equal to X. Now we have to find out what is BC. So let we are assuming BC as X. So as per theorem 6.6, theorem 6.6, we can write area of ABC by area of DEF is equal to BC by EF whole square. That is we can write. So if you substitute the value, BC is X and EF is 15.4. Again substituting the value of area, what we are getting? Area of ABC is 64 and area of DEF is 121. So this equating this one, again let us convert this one also into a square. So if we are converting into a square, now both sides are all square. So if we can remove the square of both the sides, here we will take only the positive value because negative value is not counted here. So now if we go on solving, what we get? X is equal to 8 multiplied by 15.4 divided by 11. So we are calculating the value. So 11, if we divide 15.4 by 11, we are getting 1.4. So after multiplying, we are getting 11.2 centimeter as the result. So BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. So therefore this is the first one. Again let us see one more example. This is number 6, question number 6 of exercise 6.4. What we have to prove? Prove that the ratio of the area of two similar triangles. Now here again the ratio of the areas is to be found. Is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Now we have proved that the ratio of area is equal to a square of ratio of their corresponding side. Now here we have to show that it also holds for ratio of their medians. So let us see how we are proving. Let we have two similar triangle ABC and PQR and AL and PM. AL, that is AL and PM, both are medians of ABC and PQR respectively. Then we have to prove, what we have to prove? That area of ABC divided by area of PQ is equal to this median divided by this median, that is AL by PM whole square. So this we have to prove now. So let us prove this one. So we have what we have? We have got two similar triangles. So if both triangles are similar, then we have AB by PQ. That means AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. That means BC this side by this side. They both are equal because both the triangles are similar. Now we can extend this one as multiply numerator and denominator both by half. So we are getting this one. Now half BC is your BL. Half BC is your BL. Now how we can write half BC is equal to BL? Because AL is the median. Now AL is the median, that means it will divide this particular BC into two equal parts. So point L is dividing this triangle into two equal part, and similar thing is happening for next triangle, that means PQR. PR is divided into two equal halves by the point M. So let us give the number 1 for this equation. Also we have angle B is equal to angle Q, because both the triangle are similar. Again from 1 and 2 what we get? See, this ratio and this ratio of this side and ratio of this side are equal, and angle between those two sides are same. So we can say that ABL, that means this triangle is similar to this triangle. So here we have also found a proof that the median divide the if we divide any two similar triangle with help of median, the triangles so made are also similar. So that is we are showing over here. So this is we are using SAS criteria, that means ratio of this one by this one, angle this one, and ratio of this one and this one are equal. So these both the triangles are similar. So again what we have what we have shown here, clearly see these three ratios had been got from the similarity of ABC and PQR, that means AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. AC by PR. So this is these three, and right now just we have achieved from these two triangle that AB by PQ, that is AB by PQ is equal to AL by PM, that is AL by PM, that we have shown. So now we can say, now we know that the area ratio of the area is equal to a square of ratio of their any corresponding side. So AB by PQ square is equal to ratio of area of ABC and PQR. So this, as we see that AB by PQ is equal to AL by PM. So we can substitute this value here. So if you substitute, what we get? We got the required result that we need to prove. So this way we can solve the sum of the exercise 6.4, and I hope you will be able to solve all the exercise over here. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you need more videos, just subscribe and like. Thank you.